pasta again, and I'll tell you why I'm doing it. One of my subscribers commented on my Instagram account, and go follow there. I'll put the name down below in my description box. And one of my subscribers commented me, you did a pasta with all the powders and masalas, and why don't you do pastas with this type of powders? This is powders of pasta masala, and I thought, why not we do it today? And I'm here. If you like this video, make sure you like this video, hit that like button and share this video. This is Math with Kevin, and also hit that notification bell and press all so that you could get notified when I upload new videos like this. And you could be the first to watch my videos, and you could get notified every time I upload videos. So let's go further ado. Let's get started. So here we have the ingredients. We have the pasta, 1 cup of pasta in this cup, very important. And then here we have Smith & John's pasta masala. And then we have salt per your taste. And here chaat masala and white pepper. You could also take black pepper. And then finely chopped tomato, 1, a finely chopped onion, finely grated half carrot, Ching's dark soya sauce, oil, 1 cup, and then here I have put 3 cups of water in that cup to a utensil, and I'm putting the whole pasta. And then you're thinking it will stick, right? Yes, it stick if you use this hack, I'm telling you. So the hack is, you should put a spoon of oil, a tablespoon of oil, and a little bit of salt. I'm putting here a little bit of salt. It doesn't matter how you put it. If it accidentally puts a lot, it doesn't matter, because after you rinse it, it will be gone. So I'm just going to put it a little bit and then stir it. So we will let it boil, and then we'll just put the plate and just leave little space so that the spoke can go. Here I'm putting a pan in there. So now I've on the stove and put the pan in there. Now we will let it heat, and now it's heated, and then we will put some oil. I'm putting 3 tablespoons of oil over here. You could also put 2 tablespoons. I'm putting 3 tablespoons because I have a lot of pasta. So here the oil is heated, and right now I put a finely chopped onion. So be careful when you're doing this kitchen things in the oil. There is every chances that could come to your go to your eyes or something like that. So be careful. Here the oil is a brownish shade. Now I am putting the finely chopped tomato and mixing it, means stir it. If you want definitions to everything, please on the captions, you could know everything. I'm stirring it. Stir it till it's right like that. And then I'm putting the grated carrot. You could also put it into the chunk pieces, but I'm putting it. So I've already put a little bit of salt. Sorry, the camera was cutted, so I can't do anything. I put it a little bit of salt right now. Leave it until it's the oil is coming out like that. So mine is correct now. And now I am putting the white pepper. You could also use black pepper as per your use. A little bit, just a little bit, okay. And then I am using chaat masala. And then I am putting a spoon of soya sauce. Just a little bit, okay. Don't put a lot because the powder has everything. And then I'm stirring it. And then we are putting the pasta masala. You could put as per your taste. I'm putting the whole thing because my pasta is a lot. I'm putting the whole thing. And then stir it till it's good enough. You're thinking it's override, it's gone. No, but it will be like this only when you make pasta. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of water so that everything could settle down into a little cooler. After it's like this, see, it should be like this right now. After 2 to 3 minutes, and then we are gonna off the stove. And here our pasta is already ready. And then we are just going to stir it, and we are going to stain it. Here I've already stained it. I'm going to put the pasta into the bowl. Sorry guys, it's a mess right now because it just fell right into that. I didn't thought that. Okay, so here I'm stirring it in the stove right now. So I will meet you when it's served. Here it's served. This is it for today's video. If you want to know more about me, go to my channel, subscribe my channel, and also hit that notification bell and press all so that you could get notified